Hey there, Math Explorers! Have you ever wondered how we can easily compare data between two groups, like boys versus girls, or this year's sales versus last year's? Well, today, we're diving into something super visual and super useful: double bar graphs. Stick around, because by the end of this lesson, you'll be reading and creating your own graphs like a pro. By the end of this video, you will be able to construct double bar graphs, interpret data presented in a double bar graph, draw conclusions or make inferences based on data presented in a double bar graph, solve problems using data presented in a double bar graph. Let's say our school canteen sold turon this week. On Monday, 15 were bought by male students and 10 by female students. By Friday, both groups bought 15 each. But wait, just reading the table is kind of boring, right? What if we can see this information instead of just reading it? That's where our double bar graph comes in. Before we double it, let's recall. A bar graph uses rectangular bars to show data. It helps us compare things like the number of books borrowed, food sold, or even favorite subjects. A bar graph has 1. A title, tells what the graph is about. 2 axes and labels, the horizontal axis, x-axis, for categories, and the vertical axis, y-axis, for values. 3. A legend, to show what each color or bar represents. Now, a double bar graph is a special type of bar graph used to compare two groups of similar data. For example, comparing male versus female, this year versus last year, or indoor versus outdoor hobbies. Each category has 2 bars, one for each group. This makes it easier to see differences and patterns at a glance. Let's make our own double bar graph using this data from the canteen. 1. Write your title. Number of turons sold at the canteen. 2. Draw the axis. Label the x-axis as days of the week and the y-axis as number of turon. 3. Choose a scale 0 to 30. 4. Pick colors. Blue for male, red for female. 5. Draw your bars side by side for each day. 6. Add a legend to explain your colors. And there you go, your own double bar graph. Now, let's use this double bar graph to answer some questions. On which day did the canteen sell the most turon? Who bought more turon on Wednesday, male or female? How many turon were sold in total? By looking at the height of the bars, we can see that Thursday had the most sales, and female customers bought more on Wednesday. We also use double bar graphs to study real issues, like the number of COVID-19 cases in hospitals, or the types of bullying experienced by students. These graphs don't just show numbers, they tell stories about our world. So learning to read them helps us make better decisions and understand data that affects people's lives. Now it's your turn. Create a double bar graph showing favorite merienda, kakanin, fast food, bread, pastry, favorite subject, or favorite weather. Work with your group, gather data from your classmates, and present it using your best creativity. So remember, a double bar graph compares 2 sets of related data. It has a title, axes, labels, and a legend. It helps us see patterns clearly, faster than reading a table. You did great today, Math Explorers. Don't forget, every graph tells a story and you have the power to read it. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and share this lesson with your classmates. Now, with the help of your teacher, do the following activity.